Hey there! Here are my tips on how to use a flat mop to quickly and effectively mop a floor without having to carry around so many things. First off, grab the collapsible folding bucket. You will see it in my other videos. It's amazing. You can stick it under your bed. No big, huge bucket to keep in a closet. It's amazing. Now, I love to use microfiber cloths and mop pads. So what I do is I pre-wet it like you saw before. I wet the mop pad and I put it down on my mop that has little Velcro teeth. And I mop and I squirt with my floor solution if I need it. When it gets soupy and full and dirty, I take it off, pre-wet the next mop pad in my floor cleaning solution that's already in the bucket, and then put it down and mop and just continue mopping. This way, I'm not contaminating the clean water with a dirty mop pad. There's no reason to have extra buckets. I just get a new mop pad, wet it a little bit, and then put down flooring solution as needed. And it's crunchified clean. Look at that. Clean floors. I can use as many mop pads as I need. Super cost effective and smells fantastic. Follow along for more Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.